UMLA Barim ka National People Party na trigla kononsi ka bahap hapoh ka West Garo Hills bat ubal penyeso syaka Bharatiya Janata Party Benedick Marak sisngi hadien baladep ban penyeso syaka tei ka party ulatak rain bat kentho jurio mentirang ba ka jelau konrad ke sangma dak ba ongru ba ka NPP ka barung mensua kala ulo ongru ba ka cingkwa menmi no na ka NPP kamdei karai ka bandang menta handai na du bo la sha weng no na ka shuki kum chief executive member ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council habai keren bat gilar pthai ku board Benedick ulo ong bo la shong ha ka shuki kum chief executive member ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council la phrabnai handai na ka leong konrad lo weng no bat hadu menta uklam la ban ai ka jubab ulo ban rap ru ban bu jingli balai ka GHADC hadu menta kampat la ban siu tulop yakinong trei menta la laisnem.
As you know, everybody that Benedick and Madam Perlin has joined BJP. Why? Why? You know regarding about district council. I've been chief executive member last 8 months. Why our chief minister he sidelined me? You know about that? Just think. Everybody wants good achievement, but I don't know why he sidelined. That's the main question first. But he didn't give the answer still, not yet. See, I have joined NPP since from long back time itself because of his father. We love his father. We know his father, how he walk, how he do everything, you know. But see, after his father left, what he have done? See? He's saying that last time election, he said what? Wind of change. I don't think so. This is wind of disaster, I think. But we believe now that we have joined BJP and now it's going to be changed to wind, you know. We are going to change the wind of change. Last time he sung as a wind of change, but I don't think this is totally disaster. So that's why I'm asking him why he removed. When I was in chief executive member, I have elected from my constituency and I got the chance. I'm the senior at that time. Why he removed me? That's the question. Please ask him and let him explain everything. Now see, our district council, Christmas is so near, only 1 week left, but salary is still pending. 3 years above is going up, still like that. We should think about that. We should think about job. We should think about our youths are going on like that. They have a right to ask for job. Huh? So that's why I'm giving a question to Chief Minister that let him explain why he removed me. Yeah, we have spoke, we have discussed. So everybody said this is wrong, but some other MLAs, they're still waiting for right time, but I don't think so. They're same in way, you know, same place they have gone.
Estamur Mominen, who is the MLA of Pulvari, has been denied ticket. Will he be joining?
Whether this is it's denied, whether NPP ticket is declared? I don't think so.
But they have already announced the name of former Speaker A.T. Mandal. So will he
tell them to join us?
Tell them.
Because he's part of the NPP, he might be joining along with you.
Yeah.
Is there any communication?
If he want, then if he willing, then we are welcome. We keep open door, you know.
Yes. Correct.
Is it that NPP?
Yes.
He doesn't listen and it is a dictatorship party?
It's dictator only.
Can you give us reasons?
See, I don't want to point like that. which I have a point, which I have a proof. That's why I'm just saying that one only. But I think I have a lot, but I'm going slowly because I have been since my like that only. I have been mom for a long time, you know. I keep mom for a long time, so I'm started from today only. That is not true. I'm coming back. Don't worry. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm sure. Because my people, my workers, my constituents people, they have select me and join BJP. They have sent me to join.
He's the father of the constituency, you'll win.
Yes. I think so. They have regret. Because, see, a long time back, last time election, everywhere you have seen Benedick, no? Is it? So, they should regret. Why should I regret? I'm good. I'm fighting for right. I'm doing for good changes. With changes we can bring, that 40 only, I win and I join. This is BJP only.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi. Yes.
Development.
You have changed. You think there is a nepotism in the party?
Where nepotism? Have you seen that?
NPP.
Please, Vasu.
NPP? Yeah, they have.